kitchen is essential for preserving cleanliness and order. This equipment could aid the cook in chopping, slicing, and finally mincing uncooked food. In addition to being mess-free, cooking equipment built specifically for this purpose. In this video, we will showcase the 10 kitchen equipment perfect for everyday use. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible innovations, keep watching the video. Number 1. Pomegranate The Cedar. Have you ever wondered how long peeling a pomegranate takes? Most likely not. However, it is far longer than we could imagine. This device by Tescoma provides an escape route. This kitchen tool costs $14 and will allow you to extract pomegranate seeds in only minutes. The process consists of 3 steps. First, chop the pomegranates, then place them on the device, and finally, tap on them. The pressure on the grid will cause the seeds to fall to the ground. Next, you must drain the juice and rinse the seeds to remove any leftover skin. Number 2. Poach Pro. And here's another one of Joseph's handy culinary tools. It's a unique egg poaching mold this time. With this tool, making this dish couldn't be easier. The raw egg is placed between 2 silicone molds in the Poach Pro, wrapped in plastic, and then the mold is lowered into a pot of boiling water. The egg can be slid out through the side opening. You should focus on the toothed edges since they will help you cut away the superfluous wrap. The retail price of the Poach Pro is $14. Number 3. Peel-8 Pasta Maker. To people who enjoy preparing their own meals, the device shown on the screen is highly recommended. You probably might infer from the title that we'll be talking about cooking pasta now. The price of the gadget is $40. Particularly impressive is the Peel-8's participation in practically every step of pasta making. The gadget relies on a pair of functional parts. The first one is a dough roller, and its thickness is controlled by a lever on the side. The second part, when used with a special blade, may turn dough into pasta. Amazing, right? Number 4. Chocolate Fondue. This device, designed by Tescoma, is excellent for rapidly melting chocolate or chocolate Play-Doh. In addition, it may be used to decorate or fill pastries. One further application is for the production of chocolate fondue, a dish in which bite-sized morsels or either fruit or cookies are dipped in molten chocolate before being eaten. The fact that the bowl may be removed from the device and washed anytime it's required is one of the many benefits offered by it. The device can be purchased for $34. Number 5. Bavarian Edge. The next cool tool we'll show you today is a gadget that will make sure your blades always have a razor edge. When compared to other common sharpeners, the JMLS Bavarian Edge is unmatched in efficiency. In the video, viewers can see how this tool may be used to quickly and easily hone plastic cards. The equipment works for sharpening all types of blades, including bread knives. The knife can be inserted into the gadget, and the springs will automatically set it at the optimal sharpening angle. This helps to ensure a fantastic result. The sharpener is priced at $26. Number 6. Watermelon Slicer Tool. Cutting a fruit as large as a watermelon is not difficult, but it takes quite a while. This device allows you to swiftly and easily cut a watermelon in a couple of minutes. It was designed by the American firm Odyssey Mall and costs approximately $30. The equipment can be used to cut not just watermelons but also melons and other gourd-related crops. This device immediately divides the pulp into neat cubes. In addition, it permits the complete removal of pulp up to the rind. Number 7. EQUILIBRIC 3-in-1 Colander. It goes without saying that you should always wash your produce before eating it. This method, however, can be extremely irritating at times. Freshly washed fruits fall into the dirty sink where they will either rot or become contaminated. Experts in balancing acts designed a unique colander that secures the bowl in place. The secret to the colander's design is its two bowls, an inner and an outer bowl. The inner bowl stays put while the outer bowl is tilted while holding on to the handle. This will keep the produce in place as the water drains. When washing food, the company recommends using the bowl to conserve as much as 60% of water. Get this home appliance for $13. Number 8. Brushes by Joseph. This is a brush for knives and cutlery. The crisscross bristles cleans both sides of the knife completely. Additionally, it is entirely safe to wash knives with blades. The exterior of the brush is textured to prevent it from slipping out of your wet hands. It costs $8. The purpose of the edge brush is dishwashing. Consider the sink rest since it maximizes the space around the sink. The scraper's soft bristles do not harm plates, and it removes stuck food. While washing, the brush is merely suspended on the side of the sink. This angle enables you to clean inaccessible areas, and it costs $14. Number 9. Digital Oven Thermometer. The key to a well-baked food is not the temperature of the oven, but rather the temperature of the dish itself. Here is a Tascoma digital oven thermometer. It has a heat-resistant probe that may be inserted directly into meat or pastry. The monitor indicates the dish's temperature from 0 to 300 degrees Celsius. Please pay close attention to the built-in timer. You will never overcook or undercook a meal again thanks to this device, which emits a sound when the item in the oven achieves the desired level of doneness. The back of the thermometer has magnets so that it can be affixed to any metal surface, and it costs $40. Number 10. Sharp Shield Gloves. Eventually, those who cook on a daily basis will sustain injuries, most commonly due to the negligent knife use. The British startup JML offers a $30 remedy for the issue. These protective gloves offer outstanding resistance to virtually all cutting impacts. With these, slicing, cleaning, grating items, and opening cans are completely risk-free. Copper and polyethylene fibers make up the glove substance, which is the glove's defining characteristic today. They provide gloves with exceptional protection and flexibility. The EN388 standard rates their cut resistance as level 5. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 10 kitchen equipment perfect for everyday use. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.